Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knifecenter, and today we're pitting the CRKT Pilar against the Cold Steel Tuff Lite, and you get to pick the winner. Let's do this. So these are two small everyday utility knives that are both capable and affordable, and when we look at them they have different personalities, but there's a lot of similarities between them. The blade lengths are effectively identical. The Tuff Lite features a Wharncliffe shape with a hollow grind and Aus 8 steel. The Pilar features nearly identical 8CR13 MOV steel and sports a flat grind. The sheepsfoot style blade doesn't have as acute a point as the Wharncliffe on the Tuff Lite, but it makes up for that in other ways. They've applied a nice swedge to the end of the knife to keep the tip as thin as possible. Although the tip sweeps up on the Pilar rather than staying straight like the Tuff Lite, both of these knives can effectively present their tips when performing scoring or drawing cuts. As you can see, both blades open with an oval-shaped cutout, making the knife easy to open with either hand. And since there's no thumb stud sticking out, the cutting area of these small blades is not compromised in any way. Even though these blades aren't exactly the same, the ways that they're alike are pretty striking. The similarities between these two knives continue with the handles, but we do start to see separate identities emerging. The Pilar features a stainless steel body and it looks great just like it is, but there also exists a strong modding community that uses this knife as a platform for engraving or embellishment. The Tuff Lite has slightly more handle length, but it weighs less overall because they've used a synthetic Grivex material. This also allows Cold Steel to offer a range of colors, from black or the muted flat dark earth on this knife to more saturated blue and red hues. These handles have a little more texture than the CRKT, as well as a long scallop that provides a good place for your fingertips or thumb to rest depending on your grip. Overall, this knife feels just a little bit more rugged compared to the Pilar, which feels a little bit fancier overall. What ties these two handles together is their use of finger grooves and a full-sized finger choil that increases the effective length of the handle. This allows them to take up little space in the pocket, but open up and accommodate all four fingers, allowing you to put these smaller blades to bigger jobs than you might think. In keeping with that capability for hard work, both knives feature strong locking mechanisms in their handles. The Pilar features a frame lock that holds the blade open with no blade play whatsoever. It operates smoothly and disengages without any lock stick. The Tuff Lite features Cold Steel's proprietary triad lock. It looks like a lockback, but it was re-engineered for the ground up for even tighter lockup. There's no blade play at all on this knife either, and it's designed to last a long time. Both knives come out of the box with the clip setup in a right side tip down orientation. The Tuff Lite can be switched to left side carry, but if you want to carry tip up, you'll have to go with the Pilar, which can be set up that way, although it's not drilled for left side carry like the Cold Steel. Both of these knives are great, but now's the time when we decide on a winner, which is where we turn things over to you. Make sure to let us know in the comments which of these knives that you prefer. Do you go with the aggressive attitude of the Cold Steel Tuff Lite or the more refined style of the CRKT Pilar? In the meantime, to get your hands on one, click the link in the description below to head over to knifecenter.com.